Hey guys, so looks like Live Server doesn't come by default on the VS Code maybe, and I've already had things downloaded on here, so I don't always remember what was default and what wasn't. My apologies on that, but you can add it. Go to View, Command Palette, and just look up Live Server, and should be this one. Open with Live Server. And okay, maybe you have to open a folder first. Let's do that. Then View, Command Palette, and maybe because I already have it, I don't know. But Live Server, open with Live Server, and I don't know if after you do it, it'll be like the way I do it, like opening up the folder or the file and then right clicking on it. I don't remember how that worked. But this is how you can access it. I really don't remember what I did, if anything, to get it to be accessible through right click. So, but it is available here. So my best guess is like just once you start using it, then it'll be in there, like to right click. Just like resize image and some of the other stuff that you can do. But to access it is Command Palette, and you just type in Live Server. Server. Okay. So yeah, that's how you access it. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I don't recall what I did it to be immediately available here. When I right click, my assumption off the top of my head would be just using it, and then it'll eventually is available as like a frequently used or recently used thing. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.